Union Pacific's commitment to safety, service, and operational excellence underpins and drives our long-term growth strategy. We're leveraging this solid foundation and unparalleled access to diverse and growing markets to connect new customers to our premier franchise. More than 30 focus sites across our 32,000-mile network, including 5 new sites added in 2024, put rail within reach for businesses looking for a winning transportation solution. Focus sites are large-scale development sites suited for custom-built warehouses or industrial facilities. These railroad hubs enable Union Pacific to concentrate resources, effectively manage logistics, and provide customers with targeted services. Prime Point Industrial Park near Dallas, Texas, is a premier example of a focus site supporting carload and intermodal growth. Adjacent to our Dallas Intermodal Terminal, this 3,000-acre site was master planned for Union Pacific rail service. The industrial park has approximately 400 remaining acres that are ready for rail development. Several Union Pacific customers call Prime Point home, including Biagi Brothers and KTN. Biagi Brothers is a warehouse provider for beer, and Prime Point is one of the final steps in this product's journey before it reaches your home. Its origins are rooted in barley fields in places like Idaho and Montana. That freshly harvested barley is loaded in trucks bound for grain elevators and then transferred to covered hoppers. From there, it moves to places like Great Western Malting Company, where it's transformed into high-quality malt. The malt returns to rail, traveling in covered hoppers to breweries, where it is brewed into beer, bottled, and loaded into boxcars. Next, it moves to warehouses, like the Biagi Brothers facility at Prime Point. This 450,000 square foot warehouse features 60 truck doors and capacity for 100 rail cars. From there, trucks take the finished beer to distributors that deliver it to places like grocery stores and gas stations. KTN's products experience a similar journey. Producers ship bulk rail cars of plastic resin pellets to KTN's state-of-the-art plastics packaging facility at Prime Point, which features 540,000 square feet of warehouse space, 220 hopper car spots, and 2 high-speed packaging lines. After the pellets are packaged and loaded into intermodal containers, they take a less than 2-mile trip to Dallas Intermodal Terminal, where Union Pacific's Dallas to Dock service transports the containers to ocean ports via premium intermodal service. Together, KTN and Union Pacific's Dallas Intermodal Terminal offer more trucking, container, rail, and warehouse capacity than any other location in the area and have plans for continued expansion. Our Dallas imports continue to grow year over year, offering ample empty container capacity to load plastics to ship exports westbound to the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach. Union Pacific has thousands of acres ready for development at focus sites across our network, including key growth areas like Kansas City, Dallas, Houston, and Phoenix. We are committed to understanding the unique needs of our customers and providing solutions that help them win in the marketplace.